I will show you how I go from this to this. Just take a look at this beautiful nails. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your artificial nails at home quickly and easily without the need for a salon visit. So I got this two colors, and this I think I got this from Amazon. So this came with a glue, a nail file, then nails. It's like 120 pieces of nails, different sizes, and also it came with this. It came with this too, but I won't be fixing this nail. We're putting it back. So choosing in between these two nails, which should I go for? Because I want something natural, and I think this is close to it, so I won't be using this. So I'm going to set this aside. So let's fix this nail. So first of all, let's open it. So this came with a glue. This is a jelly-like glue, and came with one stick and then a little file. So let me just file down my nails. After filing, I'm going to clean it with my nail cleanser, and I'm going to take off any dirt that is inside my nails, like I'm doing so. So the next step is, so I'm going to use this gel like glue, and then the nails. Let me open up the nails. So I'll just size it, and then before I put. When I sized it, I discovered that the nail was long, and because I'll be wearing this nail to work, so I decided to file it down. So I start filing it down from the bottom. After filing it down, I also checked how is it on my nails, and I think it was okay. I stopped filing. I did the same thing to the rest of the nails. I ensure they are ready before I start fixing it to my nail. So guys, it's ready for us to fix. I haven't used this gel-like glue before, but then this is my first time. I tried to fix it to my nail, and I discovered I didn't do it well, so I have to take it off. I tried in doing it in a couple of two other nails, and I was able to fix just two nails. Yes guys, I was so happy after fixing just two nails with the jelly-like glue. Then after that, I discovered it was actually wasting my time, so I just have to go straight back to my nail glue. I went back, pick up my nail glue, and start gluing the rest of the nails. It was so fast guys. I prefer this nail glue than the other ones. The jelly-like glue, I prefer the nail glue, so it was so easy. Just I just rubbed it on my nail directly, as if I'm trying to polish my nail. After rubbing it, then I placed the nail on top of it and press it down for a few seconds for it to stick, and after that it was ready. That was how I did it, and that was so fast, no stress, nothing. So I used the nail glue. After that, I went further to size the other hand and also to file it down and ensure that all the nails are ready before I start fixing it like I did to the other hand. So guys, in this one I just decided to use the glue, the nail glue. I didn't try to stress myself with the jelly-like gel, with the jelly-like glue. So I just went straight with the nail glue, and like I did in the other hand, I rub it on my nails before I place down the already filed down nails, and after that I press it down for a few seconds to stick. That was what I did to the rest of the nails, and yeah, that was it. So guys, this was the last one, and just take a look at our nails. We are done fixing our nails. That was so fast. So when I checked, I discovered the nail was still long, and like I said, I'll be wearing this to work, and I don't want it to injure anybody, so I have to file it down. I start filing it down, and yeah, I filed it to make sure that they were low. Yes, they were low. So after filing it down, so this was okay. The size at which it is now was okay, so I stopped filing it down, and yeah, that's it. So guys, take a look at our nails. How is it? So beautiful. This nail is looking so beautiful and natural. That's one thing I love about this nail. It was so natural, looking so natural. So guys, when comparing the nail glue and the jelly like glue, seriously, I would say I prefer the nail glue. It was so easy and fast. I don't really know how to use the jelly like glue. Maybe I wasn't doing it the right way. So if you watch this video and you think I did it the wrong way, you can please tell me how best you can do it, or how you are able to use it and it was so helpful, it was fast for you. Mine, it was really difficult navigating through it, so I just decided to tilt towards the nail glue, and that was so perfect and quick for me. Is my nail beautiful? How is my nail looking? Please type beautiful for me if this nail looks beautiful. And that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.